Welcome, today I am with Huawei FreeBuds 3 and I will show you how you can move them to the pairing mode manually. So as you can see in my case, this indicator is not highlight on the green, red, white color, it's just turned off. And it means that they are not even activated. So how we can move them to the pairing mode manually? Take a look. Right now I'm in the build settings in my phone. And to make it, you have to grab your case like that. And you have to take a look on this button. You have to click and hold it for a few seconds until this indicator inside starts blinking on the white color. So let's try to make it right now. Click and hold. And then just release. Right now when I refresh the available devices list, I will be able to find FreeBuds 3. They will pop here after a few moments, don't worry about that. We can turn off the Bluetooth and turn it on back. As you can see, here they are. We can also check the same by going to the Huawei AI Live application. We can try to add them, and there it is. So I can just finally connect. So as you can see, that's how we can move Huawei FreeBuds 3 to the pairing mode manually. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.